Ever wondered how the humble potato could be a powerhouse of wellness? Well, it's time to peel back the layers and discover the incredible benefits of this everyday vegetable. Sure, potatoes are delicious, but did you know they're also packed to the brim with essential nutrients? One medium-sized spud contains nearly half your daily value of vitamin C. That's right, potatoes are a great source of this vital antioxidant, helping to repair body tissues and bolstering your immune system. But the wellness benefits of potatoes don't stop at vitamin C. They're also rich in potassium, a mineral that supports heart health by helping to maintain a healthy blood pressure. In fact, potatoes contain more potassium than a banana. So next time you're feeling a bit weary after a workout, you might want to reach for a potato instead. And let's not forget about fiber. Potatoes, especially when eaten with the skin on, are a good source of this nutrient which aids in digestion and can help you feel fuller for longer. This could be particularly beneficial if you're trying to maintain a healthy weight, but what about the carbohydrates, you ask? Yes, it's true. Potatoes are high in carbs. But it's important to remember that not all carbs are created equal. The complex carbs found in potatoes provide a steady release of energy, rather than the quick burst and subsequent crash you might experience from other carb-heavy foods. In addition, potatoes are naturally gluten-free. For those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, this makes potatoes an excellent choice for a nutrient-rich food that won't irritate your digestive system. So, to summarize, potatoes are more than just a tasty side dish. They're a nutrient-dense vegetable that can support your wellness in a variety of ways, from boosting your immune system with vitamin C to supporting heart health with potassium, to aiding digestion with fiber. Potatoes are a wellness powerhouse. And with their steady release of energy, they're a great choice for those looking for a sustained energy source. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't pass by the potato aisle. Instead, consider adding this versatile and nutritious vegetable to your cart. Your body might just thank you for it.